Let me tell you one of the biggest things that made a difference in my music career. Folks, it sounds very simple, but it's not easy. It's all about the professional mindset. I've noticed a clear and distinct difference between the mindsets of amateurs who will never get anywhere with their music and pros who actually manage to turn their talent into traction. Here's the amateur mindset. You doodle, you dabble, but you have no destination, you have no direction, and therefore you feel very little progress, you start losing momentum, and then doubt, discouragement, disillusion comes in, and eventually you give up. Now the professional operates differently. 3 Ds. Number 1, decision. Decision to start taking your music career and dream seriously. Number 2, destination. You have a specific music career path that you are actually following. Number 3, daily steps. Day by day, once you have a path, once you have a destination, no matter how small your steps are, you're going to be making progress because you're always heading in the same direction. Now, the direction that I've chosen for my music career and the direction that I teach others in our academy is making a living, making music for brands right out of your home studio. Folks, this is not a trend. This is not a fad. This is the career that has been feeding my family for the last 15 years. I've produced close to 1,000 commercials, and I can tell you that making music for brands as a way of making a living is not going anywhere anytime soon. If you're interested in learning more about this path, follow me.